My name is Jenna McCullar, and this is my food processing and pH lab. Okay, so I have my cutting board in front of me. Got my red cabbage right here, so I'm just going to peel some of these leaves off as best I can. Try not to spill any of it. So I've put just enough water to cover the cabbage, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on high and let it boil. So it's just now started to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off. One last really quick stir, and let it sit for a little while. Okay, so this is done boiling, and it's been sitting here for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and strain this into the bowl. Okay, now I have indicator. To mix a fourth a cup of this, each of these that I already have set out. So, well, I hope I made enough indicator. I don't know if I made enough of this stuff. Okay, so now I just gotta stir these with something. Yeah. Okay, so here are the colors that everything turned. Now that the indicator has been put in there. So these three really acidic. Those three are basic. And the water's neutral, which is what I expected to happen, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the vinegar into the baking soda solution. Oh! I kind of forgot that happens when you add vinegar and baking soda together. It's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the vinegar into the baking soda solution. Oh! I kind of forgot that happens when you add vinegar and baking soda together. It's fine. But I mean, it's starting to get more acidic because now it's kind of purpley. Might have lots of little drops in there. Yeah, it's definitely more acidic now. Okay, so now we're going to do part 2 of the food processing lab, which requires an apple, some different solutions that I have sitting over here. So I'm going to go ahead and just put this on my little plate to see if it might stand. And I'm going to use this apple cutter to cut this into equal parts. Maybe this is going to take a little while. got my whole apple cut, and it honestly took a lot longer than I expected it to, but it's fine. So I only need 6 of these. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm gonna put the rest of this just in a bowl, maybe later. So I have my plate set up along with all my different solutions and my apple slices. So I'm going to start with my control apple. Okay, that was really easy. Then we're going to put another one in a baggie. Let's see. Okay. Just going to get all the air out of that. Only that one right there. And then, okay, sugar water. So I'm just gonna dip my apple in this. Lay that one right there. Then salt water. Lemon juice. And finally, the Sprite. Okay, now we wait. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now. They really don't look too bad. The control apple is definitely more brown than the others, except for, well, maybe the one that's in the baggie. But aside from that, they still look pretty fresh. Probably still eat them, honestly. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now, and these 3 still actually look pretty good. There's not much browning that I can see on them. Control apple has definitely been out for 30 minutes. Baggie really doesn't look much different than it did. The sugar water apple is definitely the most brown right now. Okay, so it's been an hour now since I've started this. I'm actually kind of impressed with the results. The apple that's in the bag is definitely more brown than it was earlier. So are these 2 apples. Yeah, these would not, Really impressed with the lemon juice and saltwater apples because they still look really good. Sprite apple is starting to turn a lot more brown though, so I guess it's just time to put these in the fridge and wait until tomorrow night. It's officially been 24 hours since I started this experiment. So let's look and see what the results are. Sprite apple, still pretty bad. I really like mushy though. I expected them to be more mushy. Saltwater apple, looks pretty good. Back, yeah. I'd probably still eat that one. Lemon juice apple looks really good though for it to have been out and open for 24 hours. Let's see. Bag. Yeah. That one's really brown. Wouldn't eat that one. Sugar water apple. No. And the control apple, which doesn't really look that worse than sugar water when they look about the same to me.